In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Wi-Fi not working on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing I want you to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen, which is going to bring up your control panel. Then just turn on airplane mode and then turn it back off again. Just leave it like that for 2 seconds. It's going to reset all your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and everything else. Then just see if your Wi-Fi connects properly and is working. If that still doesn't work, what I want you to do is go to your settings application. Then from here, go over to Wi-Fi, which is the second option right under airplane mode. The Wi-Fi that you're connected to, just press the little I next to that. And then from here, press forget this network at the very top. Then just reconnect to it and see if that works. Now, while you're still in settings, what you can also do if that still doesn't work is go over to general right under battery, scroll all the way down and go to transfer or reset iPhone, press reset towards the very bottom and reset all your network settings as it shows right there. Now, bear in mind that this is going to reset all your passwords, anything that you've been previously connected to when it comes to, Wi-Fi and network on your phone is all going to be completely reset. But then after that, your Wi-Fi should work. And then the final thing you can also do is go over to software update. Make sure you're on the latest version of iOS, just so that your operating system is functioning properly.